Hi traders, it's Roberto. It's Friday, non-farm payroll day. I just wanted to give everyone an update before we meet with Walter at 8 o'clock. And basically, I'm just going to go over the same thing with the non-members. But just to give you a perspective on what I look for in non-farm payroll. For example, last April, there was a BOJ intervention the day before the numbers came out. And Friday, the numbers were negative, but the unemployment rate, or rather employment rate increased, so that was positive. So there was mixed news, and it didn't matter because the BOJ intervention, price just kept going up. In May, we had not only employment numbers, but the jobs report was positive, so that was great. And the numbers did, May numbers did go up, and the market just continued to go up. And then June, it was different. The market was in a downtrend before the non-farm payrolls came out, and we had great numbers, but employment numbers were less than forecast. So it went up for 2 days, but then it wasn't sustainable. The market just turned around and went south. And then it created this head and shoulder pattern on the daily chart. Okay, now we're coming into July non-farm payroll. We don't know what those numbers are, but if you look at this chart, we have negative divergence, and we also have a head and shoulder pattern on the daily chart. So if the numbers are positive, then yes, probably the market will retreat and start heading up north, but it probably will not be sustainable, and it'll probably just turn around and head south, break this trend line, and go keep going south, because we do have negative divergence, head and shoulder pattern, and projected range is about 300 or 400 pips. The first target on this pair is about 147.55. Now, we don't know if the numbers are negative and on both unemployment and jobs report, then most likely this is going to continue. It's going to support the trend, and it's continue to go south. I do have positions open, and I'm going to put a tight stop loss on all of these before the numbers are released. The other thing I wanted to show you is pound Aussie and Euro Aussie, and I went through this before, and I just wanted to go over again. Strong head and shoulder pattern on a daily chart, which is signaling a change in direction. The market's been on an uptrend since back in April, and it looks like that's over. So hopefully the jobs report numbers will push this even further down, and we can stay in these trades. But in the meantime, I'm just going to put I have 4 positions open. I'll put about a 20 pip stop loss, which is nothing. I'll probably get taken out. But in case I don't, and the market's going my direction, then that would be great. But who knows what can happen. So again, see everyone in about 40 minutes. But I just wanted to send this update so everyone will know what we're going to do when the numbers do come out. Okay, see you guys soon.